How to fix Valorant crashing. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course go on our desktop, and then once you are now here, all you have to do on the search bar is to search for Valorant. Once you search for Valorant right there, what we are going to do is to click on open file location, which is located right there. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to right click on the Valorant icon once again, and then click this properties, which is right there. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to click on compatibility. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to check this run this program in compatibility mode 4, and then make sure that it is set on Windows 8. Then also check this disable full screen optimization and then run this program as an administrator. After that, once you do that, what we're going to do is to click on apply and then click OK. Once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to go here again on the search bar and then search for update. After that, what we're going to do is to click on check for updates right there. What we're looking for is to download the latest version of the Windows. So if you have an outdated driver right there, it will show up right here by clicking the check for updates. And then if you do so, what we're going to do is to of course just install it and then restart your computer. Once you do that, the last thing that we need to do right here is to go again on the search bar and then search for graphics and then click graphic settings. And then in this part on the search list, search for Riot Client. Once you do that, what we're going to do is to click the drop down button, which is right here. And then for the GPU reference, what we're going to do is to click this and then click high performance, which is right here. And then for the optimizations for windowed games, make sure that you turn it off. And then after that, all you have to do is to restart your PC, and then that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to fix Valorant crashing.